Remote recording is now available in Descript Storyboard, and this is capable because of Squadcast.fm. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, this video is just a quick recap of Descript Season 5, which was specifically dedicated to podcasters, and more so, it was Descript introducing us to their merger with Squadcast. And one of the key missing ingredients in Descript Storyboard was the inability to do remote recording. Now, remote recording is good, but it should be good in that you can record in high quality audio and video, and more so separate tracks. And this is capable in Squadcast. So all the more reason for them to join hands. Now, I'm inside my project here, and if I click on new, that's the home page for the drive view, you'll now see remote recording and it's in beta. I'm not going to click on this, but I'll take you to the browser version and just a quick walkthrough. If you go to Descript Storyboard, you'll see Squadcast is joining Descript. Get remote recording free. Now, you can learn more and you can learn more here. So what this means is that if you have a Descript Storyboard account, you're going to get Squadcast for free. Now, you no longer need to keep paying for two services, that is Squadcast for recording and Descript for editing. You only need to pay for one. So if you're paying for Squadcast, then you have Descript automatically. If you're paying for Descript, you're going to have a Squadcast account automatically. Now, there are two phases to this merger, and in phase one, Squadcast will remain a standalone service with two main changes. The first is that they've streamlined the integration with Descript, and the second is around price. For paying Descript customers, you now get Squadcast for free. Phase 1 begins now today, and that was on the 15th of August 2023. Now, phase 2, they are going to fully integrate Squadcast tech into Descript and wind down Squadcast as a standalone service. And this is obviously because they're joining hands, and this means that Descript has acquired Squadcast. That is obvious for it to happen. So what this means is that you'll be able to make remote recordings from Descript app and have them ready to edit as soon as you're finished. They are working on this. They don't have an exact date yet, but let's stay tuned for more. This is really important, and I feel that this was one of the missing ingredients in Descript Storyboard. The feature to remote record and remote record in high quality. So like if you have a DSLR or mirrorless camera, you can do 4K footage, and then the audio and the video are going to be locally recorded and uploaded. So where Squadcast wins is that it does all these remote recording and creates high quality, but more importantly, let's look at the features, is that the cloud recording studio for high quality audio and video content. So as you record, it kind of has this local recording on your computer, but keeps uploading that over the internet as you actually continue with your conversation. So once you're done in the Squadcast account at the time of recording this video, the footage is going to be in high definition straight from your camera, not a blurry image. Although during the meeting or recording, it might seem blurry, it's not going to be blurry once the footage is done. So that's the good thing with local remote recording. Really awesome. So what it does is that you get the separate audio and video tracks. This is really awesome, especially for post-production, and it's clear, high quality. So even if you have glitches in your internet, as long as you're speaking, it's going to be doing a local recording and then uploads once this is done. Another good and awesome thing is that you can have one host and up to 9 guests with this. So that's really awesome and handy. And I feel that this is the right move for Descript and Squadcast to join hands. For Descript to get a remote recording option, and as Andrew mentioned, there's no need to rebuild a remote recording feature when we have Squadcast available and they want to join hands together. So Descript, very powerful video editing application and audio editing application. Squadcast, a very powerful remote recording option, and this is now probably making Descript a go-to option for anybody looking to record video podcast, audio podcast, record and edit in Descript. Once the merger is complete, everything will just be done inside Descript Storyboard. So I just wanted to mention that, as I've mentioned, this is with the write-up on Squadcast. They've joined Descript. So what you need to know is Descript shares our obsession with podcasts and with building tools to make creators' lives easier. They sit right downstream our cloud recording technology. So if you're a Squadcast customer, you now have access to Descript for free. Starting today, that is on the 15th of August, you'll now have to pay for one tool across your entire workflow. This is highly welcome to anybody looking to do remote recording for podcasts or even video interviews, and you have multiple tracks, that is for video and audio. Then getting a Descript account is the way to go, or even getting a Squadcast, but Descript, because they've acquired Squadcast, would be the better option. So that's it for this video, just introducing you to remote recording. I'm going to show you how to link your Descript account to a Squadcast account in the next video. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching.